See, I'm not gonna have many people are quite so yes, are all finding ways and means to protect the position. OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor. Nenya bread in the Aman Rich to grant a press conference. Emma will trade semu. Sancho by the Busia. Bonohene, any other journalist, any TikTokers, HLS Debbie. Mama and Saki OSP no, na oye useless, on Saki Debbie. The superior in for Swamagana, a born hoka, a kahuno. Mahama and Saki no. Mama and Chimuno Chirawadre, Amame. Ewo comment section. I have Penyah Block Media. Best was any demo. Over like this video, no other man, subscribe button, so now back click the notification icon of latest updates. I've actually watched Amame. Ewo comment section. Best was so no one shall for so any be ashe. Ain't it have been an issue obi a petition Mahama. Say Mahama and Saki OSP. Kisia Jaben. Na oye useless person, or useless body. Anything idea of man seek a create and cana. You put as OSP no. Yen Saki whom fast will be a cry. So I want the magan. Nina ye. Only can fratines and seminar. Caso de Bagana Harm Emma Pomse Ghana for. Obey press conference and hold draw. Kasabi Billy, but at the end of the day, no. I feel quite query are still. Yenteshi, Ufrata Yentin issue no way. Corruption scandal near the idea OSP ranting on the media no see be bubuja be kind be no. You know just empty words. Just empty words. Emma nipa ni be a petition Mahama say Mahama and Saki OSP no kisia Jaben be say. We are useless. What did na adwene ho? Cause on kwa corrupt mind. We are corrupt man. O did na adwene ho. Eti Mahama and Saki no. No, and announcement OSP to be a press conference and waiting and then also actually and send back community and send people say, oh, and just watch that.
Strategic Mobilization Entrepreneurship Limited. That was how it was incorporated first, SMEL, on 14 February 2017 by a timber merchant, Evans Edusei, with the company's stated principal activities as general trading and services and import and export of general goods. A little over 4 months after its incorporation, this company that had stated its services are trading services and import and export of general goods was presented to the PPA by the Commissioner General of the GRA, Emmanuel Kofinti, seeking approval to sole source SMEL as a service provider for enhanced classification, valuation, and risk management platform in the customs setup. These events, the assumption of office by Mr. Oforiatta, the incorporation of SMEL by Mr. Edusei, and the application for sole sourcing of SMEL by seemed unrelated at first glance. However, a closer look at subsequent events from June 2017 to 14 February 2024, when Mr. Oforiatta's tenure ended, show a tightly knit and non-coincidental association of the prior identified events as the precursors of a masterful and mischievously crafted scheme designed by Mr. Oforiatta immediately upon assumption of office and throughout his tenure as the chief promoter, patron, and sponsor of the company, and the previously unseen power that unlawfully force-fed the company into the revenue assurance drive of GRA through a series of reckless decision-making and management and flagrant violation of statute through the use of public office for profit, contrary to Section 179C of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29, and by directly and indirectly influencing the procurement process to obtain an unfair advantage in the award of procurement contracts to the company, contrary to Section 92(2)(b) of the Public Procurement Act 2003, Act 663, with the pliant and avaricious and questioning compliance of 2 successive GRA Commissioner Generals, who he kept at a slavish subservience, leading to colossal financial loss to the Republic.
But this is kind of Bonohene, I just said that I am trickers. I do know a comedy, a cosmetics, I am trickers, a pana OSP, or a Ghana for the Mahama, on second or useless man.
Yeah, Kisia Jabin Bayan and Nano, a cosmetics. Jimmy, to me, a Yakabima min Kabia Mamu. Do come out dream ye, Miss Wetmaka Madrid. Kisia Jabin on your court.
Who can we know one tears here? I want a headache.
Office of the Special Prosecutor and now press conference, akokraba ɛyɛ cosmetics
Etumpan.
na wonim deɛ nti ɛyɛ cosmetics no
Shenia kasa.
ya petition sɛ kisi agyabe yɛmpam no yɛnyina di from the office of the special prosecutor enti kisi agyabe wɔnam hɔ nyinaa no ne ti hihim ne ti kɔ benkum na aba nifa and minim sɛ wate petition no sɛ yɛ petition mampanyin John Mahama sɛ kisi agyabe the special prosecutor yɛmpam no na wɔnkɔ wɔnyɛ adwuma yie enti na adeɛ a wɔbɛyɛ no wɔyɛ adeɛ ama na ahyɛ NDC fo anmunyam ama NDC fo ka hey kisi agyabe wɔyɛ adwuma paa once or say by the close of November saa kenoforian tanom ne nkrofo keka ho no ye de ombe gyina mranim ye be charge omo ɛyɛ cosmetics
Waa hwe.
yani atigana o antumu tumi fa trick se ne azano oma bi me keka nsam ntungum enko omo ntumi nti hute e okroma akwaba I'm telling you
Shenia kasa.
na yetimi chi a NDC fo asabe no omo ho asam wo koto court was started the asem court in the asem ye yenya attorney general wo kroma Dominic Ayene ni din ba ku bi kan ye friend say akutringa
Wey boy.
mo say akutringa
Waa hwe. Waa hwe.
lawyer also your friend say
As I say, I put in you, then.
Me need time to waste.
a whole attorney general aban lawyer paini de wo gina ho ma o ma mu ni nyina wo
Ne ka na da hɔ no.
yankasa NDC lawyer paini yankasa John Mahama lawyer paini yesi aban lawyer paini
Etumpan.
state attorney
Shenia kasa.
entu ba me ho ban
Shenia kasa.
wo bo NDC ni ho ban wo bo CPP ni ho ban wo bo Makola ni ho ban wo bo farmer carpenter soldier teacher kotwitwa case nim say woni interest e wo case nim bio Bank of Ghana governor no gina court
Eno na me dwen ho a me ntia se.
Sedu Agongo Class FM opuni no mu gina court
Eno na me dwen ho a me ntia se.
ana no mu gina court Collins Dawuda na wo gina court Dr. Kwamina Dofo na wo gina court
Eno na me dwen.
Collins Dawuda no mu gina court Samuel Fosu Ampofo no gina court Kwakubu ahin no gina court ye twitwa ma na twitwam ato forcing meba ho
Ne ka na da
na
hɔ no.
ato forcing de ya wo mu ni say eno ana lawyer ka ye no
Me need time to waste.
am say Nyankopɔn kɔ no Yesu wɔ kɔ soro ahima mu no sɛ soro ahima mu wɔ hɔ de a miminim ba sɛ soro ahima mu wɔ hɔ na wɔkɔ de a ɔde gya MPP fo
Ye kan we aso be
because ahuma bure wɔ MPP mu no akra be dɔso too much aboro so
Kukurudu.
yenya MPP fo bi a kama to force ngina court no na mo patwɔw yenya papa no papa no nya hwe o yemfa nche no yemfa ne yekrokro ɛno ngba ye de che ye de chanka chama untumi ye ni sei Buffer stock boss ye de chan nka mo ye ni sei asibe ye de chan ke ye ni sei enti adrum mra is a MPP ehia bibi and I'm telling NDC for 2028 MPP ba power wo Ghana temi ye pa
Ne ka na da hɔ no.
and sansem hunu wo ye a NDC for ye no e be koso pepepepepe bibia nsesa wo akwaba bibia ene nkoma MPP for na becheme lawyer nka becheme atum bibi sisa mo becheme atum
Etumpan.
sani ekoyi sa pepe enti me kra me des omo nko ni se ya monkɔ monche monkɔ so nche sa wa mi enko se bi nka ho
Etumpan.
ofasuru
Kukurudu.
mega monche no usuro se be chiwa fra
Kukurudu. Kukurudu.
monkɔ so a
Shenia kasa.
na de wudua no ampanyin se eno a na oyɛ den utwa obi nkasa obi ti wo mai sika me enche no I'm not saying that
And I'm prepared, I don't know, can you say?
because mpanyinfo ni bi wo mu di om sika yam frɛ me
I ask you to be citizen.
afanya bi ani akraba wanya bi ani na wodi bi kura no anya se obedi o man sika ye pajama ye chichiri mai
Etumpan.
yeah debia ye disika over debia people for disika debia disika mo ba abusu mi dunie court no mo dia court no mo nkrofo gu wo bebre ana mo nkrofo gu mo ba chief justice no amapam no what does he ya chi obi ya ba ye di nipa na kotum se wo disika
Maka na mbeza meka bia maka.
Na akwakwa ese anyebia no OSP nso ba abontene beye press conferences de kanoforiata to Interpol red alert so na yebonu ye kan kase kire omanfo wediska bobi amohu ni bia mo nche no ne ade na akire oye no so oyare okwakwa ye surgery special prosecutor beka che se data wode ama no se eso na wa ma ene ye bebo ne de number by force sa ye bebo ne de number ye betwe ne de number ni nyina no OSP kasa ansem ni nyina no onye krado me no kasa there is no case against Kenoforiata. There could be allegations against Kenoforiata, but as far as the Deputy Attorney General Magana Forte Asiano dear case bia ni hono mo say because there is no docket. And I say you need docket in so dia ye ntimi so nko court. And I say you need docket ni enko court so dia and ye ni ntimi so nko US for no say wo mo ne mfa maye ne mfa ne mra. Question is say entina eye kenken kwa na ye dede hunu na ye ankra eye dede hunu ewie uko social media amanfo busa se na media trial ya special prosecutor ye ya o kan nsem hwahan nani hahan ya enne yenya ntiye officially say there are no charges against Kenoforiata. And you see special we kwa na ma asem ne ye de no hwe emra OSP say chinchini achi a ohia Kenoforiata wo Ghana no. The lawyers led by the venerable Counsel Davis omayeti asese say special prosecutor epa of also case uncle court non prosecuting Kenoforiata. After all, who hear nipa no hansa na de na court said in atamaklu ye di na sem o mrekwa no ni court ye de ne kokogina court ye mani bail ana papam okoye wamba biem ye di na sem a kopim se di asem ni we ebu anefo enti se ye frɛ bibi trial in absentia nipa no ni ho wadwane ehwetimi di na asem enti anka OSP se papa no maaya no ono nsusu nye ho ne ho abotre a ene onko court na asem kro na wo tia no ofanto no so na ye ni asem no OSP searching chinanchia ohia no ha
papa binti a oda so tetewa on to me nye fuku enya ndo ya na sam sribe ka kire se docket on Kenoforiata oma born for the past 1.5 months some famra ontumi famba eya adam go da do enkofo also man prosecute omo egisika no say da be ye nhwemu konongo kaya ono ano te wonya hwe etu ano de nzakape wo attorney general yoko ontumi nko ho na chenche hene wagi atena so nothing could be edi ense no wan ganje kromu a yako sisiri adapa ho yanwe ne se yako kendi enko Mustafa Hamidi and also we increases can from 281 to 91 adam ko that day obey ni nyina no aba be ka tre se ankwanoma he must be the so ono anka so say investigating ono sa OSP no I was here pamuno ye to be pamuno sa office no I was here scrap because a total waste of everybody's time. Total waste. I know said about the and says high profile cases. Now, who refuse or no cross accuse court is one or no, one do be investigated or no co accuse a whole court say judges in them one. I didn't investigation, Papa. Why? I didn't tell Bessere, baby, your man on a nibresemu. Ye seek a sem ne air cohe and no pay now or Casimbi. And truly, made many a because made me back or secondary school Saturday. Some of the conditions I was secondary schools are terrible. And it me feel on that this will be a sick home. And who baba and now bema na hwe bia okwakoda na otise obi di 30 million 40 million just OSP obegina ankwa no what is he talking about? Onya nsem hunu no. Na ban attorney general and the president must sit up. Mon permanent free or old mo fragadam no ne fragadam ano ne okay okay ne troubles of Western about skirmishes. No issue long paragraph or a lawyer to them draw. One way who
Aye esechro.
Would you hear the office in Yaboka more than 800 million cities in terms of budgetary allocations. Oh no, buy ye, and yeah, in that time, what could you bulletproof cars? Are we okay? Say one at that hour. Tawo ye investigation to ye na wiase no wo ye obien wa wo ye papa wiase a obi betumi a plan obi so sidi da so di no crawl life mu a don't look left or right. What Jesus getting in Abusa on say the office of the special prosecutor yet say ye de kwa corruption and corruption related offenses na ya jimu ademudia sikana ayira na nasa access ayira omuno ye de aba oba ye send what you ajamo man no say
Na kasa so na man na born ho.
Eka ya boni kwa ya ko 1 billion eka ba now wo the comma minister for education Haruna Duswa obetumi dia ko sisi adan bebra pedi schools na wo nyina and then the Ghana national bi ka se ya ne kra nyai eko ba kwa ye diye what you want work ka brofo kire hade ori aban we contract na so medi nsemuru na eti we no enye topic hwe sikawi akoso o mai we no ye catch what you show. Sometimes I feel say no, a juma be obi didi ho. Ba ye ndidi adwumem. O ma Ghana ye didi ho ye ndidi mu. Kofo didi o ma nim to ma dim. Me no ka se skari so wata so. Na so wata so da se pese yi a. Anu wa se da ko ye si akwan. Na we kura mo be ka kire say attorney general be ka kire say docket ro dimi ba mo se ka bana ya run the OSP ya che no kura ko ti be because what that o man no the seat of the state. Ontiano cast were issued red alert was started extradition process. And you can't do extradition without docket. Kofa docket bra for a serious matter like Kenovoriata. You be who the street of Washington, Chile, or Chile. Kofa docket bra won't find back. Meanwhile, we're creating impressions in the minds of the people. Now, me am one was a mujinidi. OSP, yeah, go to appointment. And I'm expecting to go check Kufuor and go for. Nazalogy go move away. Appointed by Kufuor, sworn to Kufuor, declared to Kufuor, promise a Kufuor, and you want or no. So we go check Kufuor go for. Oh, yeah, where's a cash shop? And until by close of the year, now Oman Penyah, together with the people of this country, will demonstrate against this Oman Penyah. So only OSP ni free so. Obwa omwaye. Only plan bi amay.
Chere wa adwen mame e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media.